Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PayPal Crypto, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with PayPal Crypto, start by opening the PayPal app or visiting the PayPal website. Log into your existing PayPal account or create a new account if you don't have one. If you're creating a new account, enter the required information such as your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link that PayPal sends to your email. Once logged in, navigate to the crypto section on the main dashboard. Review the terms and conditions related to cryptocurrency trading. Accept the terms to proceed to the next step. Next, complete any identity verification processes required by PayPal. This may involve providing personal information like your social security number and verifying your identity through a government-issued ID. After verification is complete, locate the button or link to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to trade, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Enter the amount you wish to purchase or the amount you want to sell. Review the transaction details including fees and exchange rates. If everything looks good, confirm your transaction to complete the purchase or sale. Once your transaction is processed, you will see your cryptocurrency balance reflected in your PayPal account. You can manage your crypto assets directly from the app or website. Review your transactions regularly to stay updated on your holdings. Make sure to explore PayPal's resources for additional information on cryptocurrency trading and management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.